Welcome to another video on General Insurance Litigation Management, Process and System View from Insurance Domain Training Center. In this video, we will explain you the litigation workflow in general insurance claims, and also walk you through an ideal litigation management screen in Claims System. We are presenting an imaginary screen of litigation management in Insurance Claims System in this video. Please note that all the data in that screen is imaginary and for academic purpose only.
Okay, let's dive right into this. Automating insurance litigation workflows, a guide for IT and claims pros. Now, as an insurance IT or claims professional, you already know that the second a claim hits litigation, complexity just absolutely skyrockets. Today, we're unpacking exactly how to optimize your system-based workflows so you can keep your legal teams entirely ahead of the curve. So let's rapidly trace the standard claim journey. Everything kicks off with Step 1, the first notice of loss, moving right into Step 2, the normal life cycle of investigation and evaluation. But watch what happens at Step 3. When a settlement attempt fails, maybe due to a dispute over liability or the settlement amount, boom, that fires the absolute crucial litigation trigger at Step 4. It literally rips the claim out of the standard track and pushes it straight into intense legal review, before finally reaching Step 5, resolution and closure. Now, what's really interesting is what happens under the hood the literal second that trigger is pulled. The system completely takes control. It instantly applies a litigation flag, transitioning the claim to strict legal workflows, and seamlessly routes the assignment right to your internal teams or your external defense counsel. From there, let's see how this builds into day-to-day management. Basically, the system becomes your ultimate safety net with some seriously robust task and diary management. We're talking automated tracking that flawlessly monitors hearings, motions, and court schedules so those critical legal dates are never, ever missed. No way you're missing a deadline with this in place. And of course, litigation means paperwork, right? Lots of it. Here, the system acts like a highly secure vault. It provides a centralized document repository that locks down every single piece of legal correspondence, pleadings, court filings, and expert reports. And, absolutely crucial here, it enforces strict version control throughout the whole shebang. It's like a giant puzzle, and the system keeps all the pieces perfectly organized. And this brilliantly illustrates the money side of things. As the litigation evolves, your system is actively supporting critical financial controls. It automatically manages updates for legal expense reserves, indemnity reserves, and highly accurate incurred loss tracking. So it's keeping your financial picture crystal clear even when the legal battle itself gets incredibly complex. All of this data then feeds directly into reporting and analytics. So instead of just kind of guessing, management gets real-time actionable visibility into litigated claims, legal costs, claim duration, and settlement trends. You can actually actively measure your overall litigation performance. So the crucial point is that a well-designed claims system doesn't just quietly track a legal process, It provides the essential controls, the documentation, the financial management, and the audit trail you need from the initial filing all the way to final resolution. Which leaves us with one final thought as you evaluate your own setup. Is your claims system's audit trail truly ready for your next major litigation? Think about it.
Now let's see how all of these litigation management concepts come together inside a claim system. Before we begin, it is important to note that the screen being displayed is an illustrative example created purely for learning and training purposes. All names, claim numbers, attorneys, organizations, contact information, dates, financial figures, and other details shown on this screen are entirely fictional. They do not represent any real person, insurance company, law firm, claimant, policyholder, or actual insurance claim. This example is provided solely for academic purposes to help understand how litigation information may be organized within a modern claim management system. At the top of the screen, we can immediately identify the claim and its litigation status. The litigation indicator clearly shows that this claim has moved from the normal claim handling process into formal legal proceedings. Key claim information such as the loss date, report date, claim type, current status, and claim age is readily available to claims and legal professionals. This enables users to quickly understand the overall context of the litigation without navigating through multiple screens. On the left side, the litigation case summary provides important legal information related to the lawsuit. This includes details such as the case number, court name, jurisdiction, filing date, hearing schedule, trial date, judge information, and a description of the allegations made by the plaintiff. Having this information centralized helps claims personnel, supervisors, managers, and defense counsel maintain visibility into the current legal status of the case. Next, we have the parties involved section. This area identifies the key participants associated with the litigation. These may include the claimant or plaintiff, the insured defendant, any third parties involved in the dispute, and the insurance company responsible for handling the claim. Maintaining accurate party information is essential because legal documents, correspondence, court filings, and settlement discussions all depend upon these details. Moving to the legal representatives section, we can see information about defense attorneys, paralegals, litigation contacts, and claims professionals assigned to the matter. The claims system acts as a central source of information, allowing everyone involved in the litigation process to quickly identify the responsible contacts and maintain effective communication throughout the life of the case. One of the most important aspects of litigation management is monitoring critical deadlines. The Key Dates panel highlights major milestones, such as the lawsuit filing date, receipt of summons, discovery activities, expert disclosures, hearings, and trial dates. In many claim systems, these dates are integrated with diary management and task management functions to help ensure that legal deadlines are tracked and procedural requirements are met. Now let's look at the financials and reserves section. Litigation can significantly impact the financial exposure of an insurance claim. This area provides visibility into indemnity reserves, expense reserves, incurred losses, amounts paid, and outstanding liabilities. Claims professionals use this information to evaluate reserve adequacy, monitor litigation costs, support financial forecasting, and meet reporting requirements. Below that, we can see the Documents section. Litigation often generates a large volume of documentation. Examples may include complaints, answers, interrogatories, expert reports, deposition records, legal correspondence, motions, and court orders. A centralized document repository allows authorized users to access important records quickly while maintaining document control, version management, and a complete audit trail. Adjacent to the Documents area is the Activity Timeline. This section provides a chronological record of significant events and actions related to the litigation. Users can review case developments, document submissions, status changes, court activities, and communications in the order in which they occurred. This historical view is especially valuable when multiple stakeholders need visibility into the progress of the case. At the bottom of the screen, additional indicators provide a concise operational summary. These may include litigation flags, risk assessments, assigned case managers, last update information, and important claim notes. Such information helps users quickly assess the current condition of the litigation and identify any immediate actions that may be required. As we can see, litigation management within a claim system involves much more than simply recording legal events. It brings together legal information, document management, financial controls, reserve management, activity tracking, reporting capabilities, and audit functions within a single integrated workspace. For insurance professionals, business analysts, claims specialists, and technology teams, understanding how these components work together is essential when designing, implementing, configuring, or enhancing claim management solutions. Thank you for watching this demonstration. I hope this example has provided a practical understanding of how litigation information can be organized and managed within a modern insurance claims system.
Thank you for watching the Quick Bite series from www.inzu.com. Please like and subscribe to our videos for you to get notification when we upload new videos.